In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pillow mockup using Canva. This process is both simple and fun, allowing you to showcase your creative designs on a variety of pillow styles. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will help you bring your visions to life in no time. First, open Canva and navigate to your specific project. This could be a new design you're working on or an existing one where you'd like to incorporate a new element. Having your project set up means you're ready to dive into the creative process without any interruptions. Canva's intuitive interface is designed to make the design process as seamless as possible, integrating a wealth of tools and assets for any kind of visual project you might be undertaking. Once your project is ready, look towards the left side of the Canva dashboard, where you'll find an option labeled Elements. Click on Elements to open a treasure trove of design sets, including various shapes, lines, and illustrations. The Elements section is essentially a creative playground where you can find countless objects to add dimension and flair to your designs. In the Elements search bar, type in Pillow Mockup. This search will yield a variety of pillow templates, each ready and waiting for your personal touch. The mockups available range from simple designs to those featuring intricate patterns, providing a comprehensive selection to align with the aesthetic you're aiming to achieve. Once you've browsed through the options, click on Mockups to filter your results. This will refine the list to show only those elements that fit your criteria, in this case, pillow mockups. After choosing the perfect pillow template, it's time for the fun part, inserting your design. Simply select the pillow that best fits your vision and click on it to add it to your project canvas. You can replace the placeholder image with your own design by dragging your image onto the pillow mockup. This feature allows you to see exactly how your design will look on a pillow, giving you the ability to tweak colors, patterns, and styles until you're completely satisfied with the result. And just like that, you've created your own pillow mockup using Canva. This tool not only adds a professional touch to your designs, but also serves as a great way to showcase your work to clients or on social media. By visualizing your artwork in a real-world context, you elevate the presentation and appeal of your designs. Now you know how to easily and effectively create pillow mockups in Canva. Feel free to experiment with various elements, play around with different designs, and most importantly, have fun with the creative process. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.